For my final project, I will be explaining black holes. First, imagine taking everything you own, your house, your car, your trampoline, your dog, your TV, everything, and using a shrink ray, you shrink everything so it can all fit inside a marble. Or take the Earth and shrink it to the size of a jelly bean. These examples relate the basic idea of how a black hole is formed. There are three different types of black holes I will discuss: the stellar mass black hole, the miniature black hole, and the supermassive black hole. The stellar mass black hole is formed in a similar manner as the Earth and the jelly bean. What happens is there is a star 3 to 15 times bigger than our sun that starts to run out of fuel or hydrogen. It begins to use helium, and then when that runs out, it starts to use carbon and then oxygen. This is normally when a star stops, but since this star is so huge, the fusion process continues up the periodic table until it reaches iron. No energy can be fused from iron, causing all the radiation from the star to stop radiating. Gravity then makes the star implode, shrinking into an incredibly small area, even as small as an atom. The smaller something gets with the same amount of mass that it used to have, that it still has, if it gets smaller, then the gravitational pull increases as it gets smaller. And so, since this star was so big and it shrunk to the size of an atom, the gravitational pull on it skyrockets, and it makes it so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape it, like an enormous vacuum cleaner. A miniature black hole, like its name, are black holes with masses a lot smaller than other black holes. These little stars had such low gravity compared to bigger stars that they couldn't collapse all by themselves. So theory has it that the Big Bang offered some assistance with pressure on a lot of these stars, creating many mini black holes during that time. As for the supermassive black hole, nobody really knows how they're formed, but it is believed to be the equivalent of 100 million suns, the size, squashed into one tiny place. 100 million suns. Also, it's believed that at the center of our galaxy lies a supermassive black hole, and for that matter, the center of every galaxy. Finally, I'll briefly discuss the three main parts of black holes. The first part is the outer event horizon. This is where the black hole begins. The inner event horizon is, at this point, nothing, not including light, anything, cannot escape its gravitational pull. Once you're at that point, there's no turning back. And in the middle is called singularity, which is basically a fancy word for squash star. This concludes my project on black holes, and thank you for watching.